Good morning everyone. Myself Akruti Manti. Today I am going to present the existence of Almighty and His omnipresence. The one who lives in light, the one who lives in darkness, the one who lives in words, the one who lives in silence, the one who lives in the void of the universe, the one who lives in the fullness of the earth. He lives in the children's book. He lives in the Rudra